Finding the discriminant. Easy marks for us. So if you forgot, the discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac, where a, b, and c come from the standard form for a quadratic, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So then from that, we read off the a term, the b term, and the c term. Oh, forgot to highlight b. And another place you see the discriminant is in the quadratic formula. Just a reminder, that's negative b plus or minus square root of the discriminant over 2a. Right, so that's the discriminant in there. If you forget what the equation is for the discriminant, it's under the square root sign in the quadratic formula. So this question, we're given a quadratic equation. Right, we know it's a quadratic because the highest power of x is x squared, and it's in an equation. Great. However, it's not in standard form. Right, we need it to be in this form to read off the values for a, b, and c to then work out the discriminant. So we have two options, right? We could take the x squared to the right-hand side, or we could take both of these terms to the left-hand side. So I'll show you both just so they work, or no, you can do the second way. I'll show you one way. That's even better. So I'm going to take mine to the left, but you should try taking it to the right and seeing what happens. All right, so we have x squared equals 10x plus 3. I'll subtract 10x from both sides, and I'll subtract 3 from both sides. And now notice we have the a term, which is 1, the b term, minus 10, and the c term, minus 3. So in the discriminant, b would be minus 10 squared. You might be thinking, well, you're wrong. Put brackets there, because those are very different, right? We have minus 10 squared. You think, okay, that's 100. No, that's negative 100. Because by BEDMAS, we do the exponents first and then multiply it by negative 1. So make sure you use brackets even when you're writing it out by hand, just to be clear. So b squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 3, which is, let's go up here, negative 10 squared, we know is 100, minus 4 times 1 times negative 3, that's positive 12. So the discriminant for this quadratic equation is 112. All right, and now I want you to try take the x squared to the right-hand side. You'll have different values for a, b, and c, but you should get the same discriminant.